channel, we're focusing on 4 things and 4 things only for 2020. And that's the 4 B's. We're focusing on our business, our bodies, bank accounts, and blessings. And that's just that on that pre-poo all 2020. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mikey and welcome to my channel. Before we even get started, make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe. On my channel, you can find a variety of things. I post travel vlogs, so when I go to different cities, I'll tell you all about what restaurants to eat at, what's lit for the nightlife. I also post videos and tips on millennial home ownership. I'm a first-time home buyer, so I'm going through that in motion. And I also post like try-on hauls and unboxings of luxury items. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you stick around, and let's just get right into the video. Okay, so this is my 3rd time purchasing from this website, and it is Ebates.com. Each time that I purchase from this website, I have purchased a pair of shoes. So basically, Ebates is just full of designer boutiques in Italy, and they just, you know, sell things from their stores on the website. So this is the box, and it took like 3 days to come, so their shipping is very fast. And I just can't wait to show y'all what I got. So, as you can tell from the box, I got Fendi. I got some Fendi sneakers, and y'all, when I tell you I've been searching for these shoes, somebody is calling me. It is Bria. Hey.
Hey. I know you're filming, but
I've been searching everywhere for these shoes. They have them still on the website, but they regular price, and I just need a little discount. I need a little sale. I need something. I need some money off, period. So I finally found them on Ebates. They were about $200 off of retail price. So the sneakers that I got are the Fendi Freedom sneakers, and let's just open them up. So upon opening the box, it just comes with the Fendi cards. It also comes with 2 dust bags, 1 for each shoe. And they are wrapped in Fendi paper. I cannot wait for y'all to see these. Ah! They look so cute. These are heat, and can't nobody tell me nothing different, period. So I'm gonna give y'all a 360 close-up view of the shoe. In US sizes, I wear a 8.5. I'm kind of like a true 8.5. And I ordered these in a size 39. So I went up just a half size because, you know, designer sneakers, designer shoes in general, they generally run small. Designer stuff in general generally runs small. So I did go up a half size in these, and I'm so happy I did, because if I would have got like a 38.5, they literally would be so tight. Like, these fit like a glove. They fit perfectly. My foot just slides right in, and it just fit. They fit perfectly, and I feel like I did a dead on with the shoe size. So if you're 8.5, go with the 39. So I'm about to try them on and give y'all a first look. Okay, so in conclusion, my purchase from Ebates was a hit. I love my shoes. Like I said, this is my third time purchasing from there. The shipping has been very seamless. The process has been very easy, very seamless. And the quality of the items have been muy bien. So I definitely will recommend shopping on this website. Again, everything is authentic. It's new, not secondhand, not used, not pre-loved, none of that. The Fendi shoes are amazing. If you're thinking about getting these shoes, just go ahead and do it. I literally have been looking at these shoes for like 6 months now, just not trying to fade that price, but loving the shoe. The white outline on that shoe just does something with that Fendi print. So yeah, like I said, I did catch them on sale for about $200 off. So I thought that was a perfect time to go ahead and snag them up. So if you see them on sale, go ahead and snag them up. I have also saw them a few times on gilt.com. Gilt, G-I-L-T. And they were $3.99, so that's an even better price. When I did see that my size was sold out, so if you go in there and they got your size, snag them up, because that is an amazing price. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please make sure you subscribe, because I got so many more unboxings of luxury items coming very, very, very soon. You don't want to miss what I got coming up. I promise you, you don't want to miss it. So subscribe, like this video, and turn on those post notifications, and join this family. If nobody told you today, just know that I love you. From the bottom of my heart, I love you, and I'm rooting for you. And until next time, guys, peace.